Hi people, this is Nettie again. Okay, I'm going haywire with the seeds. I think I learned the lesson and I'm going to show you what. Here, as you can see, this one has a big one. No, this one is the small one. I thought it was the big one. But anyway, as you can see, they don't hardly have any, they're not growing anything. They got a little baby one there. And if you see over here, this is the one that had twice. I cut it and it came back up. So this one doesn't have any either. And I call it, they're not growing as fast as they should. So I'm gonna take the old ones, like this one. As you can see, I could tell they're the old one because they're starting to get black. So all the old ones, I'm gonna take them out so it doesn't be such a strain on the plant, and they could give very good I call it leaves. I'm interested in the leaves. I love the idea of me getting more coriander. Like you see that baby there. This one's not from the seed that I threw. The seed I threw was just I think like 2 days ago. That's not gonna grow too fast. This one probably was from the first one that it had the seeds. It flew and it grew over there. But I'm noticing that he didn't like too much water like that, so I put it back here. I had it in another place, I forgot where, and it didn't like it, so I put it over here. There, he's enjoying it. So there, she'll be growing and she'll be having seeds. Yup. So I'm gonna cut the oldest one, which will be not this one. I'm gonna cut first this one, so this one could have space. It got how you call that? This is why okay, I got it out. It has poop from lizards. I know that it's the little lizards because their lizard, the tip is white. There's a difference between the poop from a rat from a poop from the lizard. So let me start cutting this and I'll show you how I'm gonna free this place up. It's too many. There's 12 of them. This here is very small, so they don't have nowhere to move, especially this one over here. So I'm gonna cut them up and I'll be right back. Okay, so now there's only 9. I cut down 3 of the biggest one, as you can see here. They look beautiful. But I need to make space for the rest of them. So I have also, remember, I already put stacks of seed in here too, so I need them to have this space to grow. So this is what I did. Here I cut, I think it was 2, and over here I cut 1. So it was the biggest one. It was this one right here. I cut it, but this one is growing beautifully. It kind of stick up when I cut it. I don't know, I think it was happy. So now all I gotta wait is for the rest of the seeds to grow and turn blackish, yeah, black. And then I could cut them also. I was thinking of cutting that one right there in the corner, this one right here, but it still don't have too much seeds and it looks like a baby, so I'm gonna let it be. And as they grow older and start getting black, the seeds, I'll start putting them in the place where I'm gonna put them now. I want to show you something. This plant, let me see if I can see it. Okay, this plant has big seeds. You see why I leave them as much as I can over there? They have big seeds right there. You can see right there. All these are big seeds. And the one in the middle is the biggest one. That's the one that always turns black first. But I noticed this one that I took out, they're beautiful. And they get in black. So pretty soon I'll probably, as soon as they dry. But all of them are in the same position. Let me see if I could focus here. As you can see there, big seeds. And over here, let me see if I could go over it. Right there, it's not as big, but it's pretty big, So it's gonna have a lot of seeds. This one back here, oh gosh, I have to be very careful because they hurt when you don't be careful with them. Okay, there you go. Beautiful seeds. So the reason why I say you have to be careful is because they tend to this. Let me see if you could see little spots. Let me put it over here because I can't see too. I can't fill it up too good. These little spots that they got in there. There's ones that you touch them and they sting right there. This one is one of them. You can see the tip right there. Is the tip is white. That stings you. I think it's to protect the seedlings. I don't know, but it hurts. So you gotta be very, very careful when this all dries up and you have to take the seeds out. I don't know if I have a video. Let me see if I put it in the bottom. When I did that with a plastic bag, they gave me a lot of seeds from there. Those are the ones that I put outside. It was full of coriander seeds. It was a friend of ours. They gave my mother a full how you call it, bag of these, but with the plant. And my mom says, well, I'm not gonna take that out, so you take it if you want seeds. I said, dang, I do want seeds, so I'm gonna have to do it. So that's what I did. And 1 and 2 times you will see that I would say, ouch. And then when it stings you, it kind of itches afterward. So, it's very complicated. You have to know how to cut them down, or you used to doing all that, and then it doesn't hurt you. But for me, it hurts. So this is going to go right here. As you see, these are drying out, but they're not dried out yet. I had a few seeds here. Let me see if I got it. Oh, there it goes. These are the first ones. I don't know if they dry yet because they take so long to dry. But if you crumble it and the seeds don't come out, they're not dry yet. You have a few of them coming out. As you see, these dots are seeds that falls down. I put in a white bag and this white so I could see the seeds. As you see there, you could see it also. So this was all I was going to show. So God bless you all. Until next time. Bye-bye.